Aiwadikao Naka imemban luke party loka NRM ko district loko kalaki nesda Etegear. Etegear no kainapeta kanu kotomono district loko kalaki kesda pono kitolosi kotomonada atubed naka kotin otela loko chelakur otem loko chelakur ko district loko kalaki. Le rade minister likamnara keda kirno ko teso nesda bo right weteni sodit kanu kada Aiwadikao kotomnada anapeta kanu ingar no ko lukade party ne pepeke NRM secretary kesda jasi kotomnada aite ainapeta num itunga chelo ko kwap kesa port ke keutu akeche kiro kotomna Aiwadikao kana
miyo bulingata chela neo keta me ID mereti kede e komi ne ko berebe e wandi kikini party me NRM teteni awodo register tie do kopenango keta awodo era tie kede ID okoiko atiami to ne gida bini wandi kikini ikomedo nyicho nyingi ye pona ber pien ja wandi ko nyingi udo chemo go spelling kede date of birth pero rhyming letero upere kede kome keta ma ID tie kede
so abino pineno be aneno nyinga ako udo nyinga ditie mwaka na kene na mai ko ka tidie do jamede udo tibe ada yamo ni atie kango do na chore ayaro do na tie ko chore dida ko ya od pacho ai chore ni di upere kede kome party angole aneno racho moro ye kene neno be tie jomoga me nyingi liya motie bobo party tie neno boyi ko nyingi otie luto gira meneno be nyingo bedi tabo.
Le rade minister likamnara keda kirno ko teso
process of preparing for the next general election in 2026, which first of all involves verifying our membership to make sure that they are all registered so that we have primaries which is as free as possible from any contestations after elections. We had that problem of a period of time in the past elections. And by starting the process early now, it is our hope that we can clean the register so that there are no problems when we get to the time of electing our flag bearers.
We have seen a number of new people who are coming in, but so far what has taken place is so good. Our team was trained and properly trained. They have been very, very friendly right from the other day when we were trained at the district.
People are coming, they are registering, they are checking their names. We have new members coming.
The way they saw me coming here, they know that it has already started in Kalaki district. But the training took place. We also asked whether we shall be added more ladies to the field. So they agreed.
So far we have not had any much troubling issues because I've been in so many villages, and precisely here I came to witness one of the members of the party verifying his name, that is Obote Clement, on a witness, under witness of all these people who are here. And so far so good. We only hope for the best so that we could be able to organize a better election. You know, our elections have always been troubling because we have issues with the register. So this time we want to clean up the process so that we have the best leaders for our country.
Aiwadikao na nesebet aloston sabiti kanuka nyabi Aiwadikao memban lukada party lokada NRM. Michael Onyinge, TV East, Kalaki District.